I'll be guiding you guys on how to get SeatGeek promo code. So let's get started. So SeatGeek is an online website where you can buy and sell tickets for different events and etc. So now you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. Well, you have to go to Google and search up SeatGeek promo code and you have to click enter. Then you can go on the first website which says Reuters and you can click on it. So once you're there, you can see that there are only two coupon codes here. So the first one and the second one. Other all are offers, so you can just go directly and claim it from the website. So it's gonna simplify all the offers here, and you can pick the one you like and go to the website and claim it. Well, for the coupon codes, let's read it. SeatGeek $10 off first purchase code to use on orders above for 150. So let's say you're purchasing something over 150, you can get a $10 discount by using this coupon code. So I'm gonna click on it and see the coupon code. Okay, so SeatGeek 10 is gonna give you a $10 discount when you purchase anything over $150. Well, there's another code. Let's see that one as well. $5 off over $300. So you get a $5 off when you purchase over $300. So you can just click on it. Okay, so that's the code to get a $5 off over 300. I know that's not a big discount, but you can't get any more big discounts on this website. Now let's head to some more websites and see if we can find a few more codes. Okay, here SeatGeek, their official website. Let's go here and see what they have to offer. Oh, okay, so they have the same code SeatGeek 10, which gives you a $10 off of a purchase over $150 made in an app. Okay, so I think these are the only two codes which you can get for SeatGeek. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.